And the trick, way up on my ceiling, is just a tiny, harmless cotton ball. Way up there. You don't see it. On a rope somewhere that you don't see. You see it there. You see it there. On a thing.
My country invented methods. So can we go already?
I kind of hold it there.
Oh, well,
When you pull the pin, can you follow it down?
a few young people in
And whee! Very harmless fun with a cotton ball.
No. My dad's gonna make me wear this really clear jumpsuit. I don't know if I can do it. It's embarrassing.
You know, Donna, my grandmother.
Such a dink.
Oh, he scare you?
You are a fucking prick! That's
Yes!
not funny. That's not funny.
Yes!
That is not funny. You left out that spot on
Yes!
purpose. You
I've been
bunch of
waiting.
pricks.
Yes!
Bunch of pricks.
Yes!
Okay, enough. We got your point. Enough. That's enough.
Fuck, that was awesome!
I'm gonna rip it down, I swear.
No, it's
Okay.
too...
Don't. Take that. Take that. Take that. Take that. Come on.